Good morning to all. This is Srinivas Jangiti. How are you all? Wow, very good, superb. I am always fine, right? Superb. Let's go to the topic. What is it is? The topic is simple topic and very important to all members. Why? Because of representation, right? Representation is a very important up to where primary to up to ninth class. Very important concept. This is a representation, right? That's the most important as number lines, right? For about that we learn now today. What is it is simple and very easy. You just follow like this is very easy. Then at a time I'll what is it giving more information about that in a very short video in, right? So let's go to our topic. What is that is the topic is representation. What is that is in this is represent natural, all and integers on the number line. 3 at a time. Actually in the question you should come what is that is a 1 by 1 any one. But I given here what is that is a 3 in 10. Natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. What is the differences in this is natural numbers. First that is natural numbers only now. Natural numbers. That number line how can you represent? That simple represent natural numbers on the number line. How that is? Right? Natural numbers. So first you should draw the number line. First of all you should draw like this. Okay. Actually it is like a ray. But there is a line in there that what is going on. Where to begin and first natural numbers. Natural numbers are beginning with 1. That's why starting number. What is you take? Starting number is 1. Remaining next what is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. How many you want that much? It is a what is this is? Natural only no. Natural numbers on number line. So simple represent on the natural numbers. This is over. Simple trick. Is there any hard? Natural numbers means counting numbers. They are begin with 1. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is. And sometimes questions should come. Wow, like that is represent these numbers on the number line like 2, 3, 4, 5. So simple. Like this you draw first number line and after what is the 2 asking mark on the 2 and 4 asking 4 also mark it and 6 asking suppose 6 mark like that. So simple. That is the number line and representing any numbers also so simple. This is a natural number on the number line. Clear everyone? Natural numbers are beginning with 1. Counting numbers are called as natural number. That's why we asked what is that is written. First number 1 only now. This is a natural number line. So how to represent it on the natural numbers on number line? Clear everyone? It is. And next what is that is all numbers. All numbers simple. It is the what is the differences between the natural and all numbers? Only 0 only no differences. So same way first you should draw like number line. What is that is here like same. What is here difference and here? Natural numbers are beginning with 1. Then all numbers are beginning with 0. Right? Very clever. 0. Only differences between the natural and all numbers. Why? Because of in the natural numbers no 0. In all numbers in 0 there. So that's why first what is that is the smallest whole number? It is 0 only now. Then you should take here 1. What is that is here? 0. And next here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. You same way. Suppose here also representing what is that is a number line. And some numbers are there no same way. Suppose 1 is asking mark it 1, 3 asking mark the 3. So how you put on the number line? Clear everyone? So simple. This is what is this is whole numbers. Whole numbers represent the whole numbers and number line is this is. Why I written here W which means what is it is whole numbers are represented by W. That's why. What is the differences between N and W? Natural numbers, whole numbers. Here is a 1 beginning with 1. Here is a begin with 0. That is whole numbers represent where? On the number line. Here, what is it? Whole numbers represented on the number line. Here, natural numbers are represented on the number line. Simple, clear now this is. That's why simple way. Represent natural numbers on the number line. Represent whole numbers on the number line. Next, very important. What is it? Integers. Right? Integers. You know the meaning of integers? I think it's so simple. That's nothing. What is it? Positive numbers, negative numbers, including 0. Like clear everyone? Otherwise what is that is? This whole number, including negative numbers. That is only integer. That is also same way. That's why simple trick. What is that is? Positive numbers, negative numbers, including 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Then you take here, what is that? Suppose here 0. Then right side of the zeros, what is that is? Positive. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is right of the 0 is a positive numbers. Left of the 0 is a negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, so on this. So in the negative, where begin? Undefined. We can't say that. Why? Because of what is the smallest negative integer? Does not exist. What is the greatest? Does not exist. That means undefined. Simple. Logic understood you? This in smallest natural numbers in 1, smallest whole numbers in 0, but in integers, what is that is represented by? What is that is? I, R, Z. So, represent natural numbers on the number line, represent whole numbers on the number line, represent integers on the number line. In there anything, here one question, here many questions also available. Here one 6th class in a very important question to you know. 6th class in very important question. What is that is? Mark the smallest whole number on the number line. This is available in yours. This is only just you should mark like this. What is that is the way? Mark like this. Mark the smallest whole number. Why? Because of smallest whole number, it is what is that is 0. And represent some numbers on the number line. Suppose represent some numbers on the number line 2, 3, 4, 5, like this, anything given, no, just you circle that, or just you can keep what is that star marker, something, you represent something. That is simple. So I hope you understood what is that is. Represent natural numbers and whole numbers and integers on the number line. Clear everyone? This is a natural number, this is a whole number, this is an integers. I hope it's so simple. In this too, many questions available. We make many. Why? Because of so simple topic. This is a natural means nothing, counting numbers, and here whole numbers means nothing, the counting numbers including 0. Here integers means nothing. What is that is a positive and negative including 0, or called as integers. This like we show on the number line. I hope you understood very well. Very clever. Please keep in your mind. Why? Because of it's more helpful to up to I say no, that is the 9th class. So right now. Thanks for watching this video.